Fish on! Fish on!
More
on the boat. It's wet and cold and foggy. We're in between storms, and we're gonna try and get out to the lake today and do some fishing. We're gonna hit up New Melones and see if we can put some more trout in the boat. All right, good luck. And he's off.
He's off?
Yeah, there's a missed flying.
When did he come up?
Right about 30 feet back. Came off.
Maybe I'll put that big hook back on. Pulled himself right off, huh?
Yeah, I didn't even he was off before I got to the pole. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Yeah?
There's the fish on. Oh, barely hooked on the side.
Yeah. Why we've been losing it.
Fish on! Fish on! Might have a double.
I mean, I get to reel one in. Yeah, we're at 97 feet of water.
How much?
97.
Right there. Right inside.
Watch the wire.
Come over the top. Come over the top.
There, now bring him over here.
Can't. He's caught right on the lip. All right. That's a nice one. I'm not sure if we got another one, but let's check.
Huh?
Head shake on the leg floor.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That was a double.
Yeah, that's
Kind of
nice.
slow all day, and now we got a double.
Through that same area.
And a nice trout.
Yeah, two nice trout.
More in the boat. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on.
A little bit of a head shake. Not a lot, a little bit. Oh, he's got a good head shake now. Oh, he's a monster.
Oh, this sucker's huge. Oh, look at that fish. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a nice fish there.
Yeah, I knew it was the best one
Woo!
in the day.
Yeah. Fish on.
Oh, yeah. That's a
On a Rapala, blue and white. Fell right out of its mouth in the net.
Nice fish.
Good fish.
Nice fish.
Definitely wasn't fast and furious today. We were fishing in between two storms. Apexes were pretty much the lure of the day. Got 5 in the boat. Probably missed about 3 or 4. All the hooks are just right on the lip. It's barely catching right on the lip.